So all of my design pieces for the den follow the theme set out in the mood board. I really like how the fox logo turned out, as it expresses creativity with flowers blooming out of his head. My poster focuses on the opening event of the cafe. I would like to try to design it again, maybe focusing on the poetry slam instead, and then compare the two finished posters to see which one comes out better. So this is my HTML5 website for the den. The main idea behind the rebranding was to basically create a cool hangout spot for university students, as there's a university nearby. So whether you wanted to read a book or work on assignments, or do something fun with friends like play board games or attend an event. So the nav bar is across the top with all of the sections. I feel like the sections flow really well into one another. So the first is about the books, the second is about the cafe, and then the events, and lastly the also available. So within this section there is reserve a board game, and that goes to the interior page where there's information about the board games and then also the reservation form. At the bottom of the homepage there's also a contact us. So I think that this is one of the areas that I really could have developed further by having an embedded Google Map. So I did try to embed it, but I had some difficulties and ended up using just a still image of a map. But that is something that I think would really benefit the site, so I will look into that further. Overall, I really like the site. I think the color scheme is nice and it's really welcoming. For my Down the Rabbit Hole showpiece, I really liked how the dialogue between the text and then the image only pages works. And then I like the darken effect that was used, which was to blend the images with the background. It worked really well, but it could be tweaked further on some of the images. Overall, I like the showpiece, but I feel like I could have pushed the boundaries a bit more with using my typography creatively.